Recently, I have fixed another 4 Google Merchant Center with the same issue of misrepresentation. Let me show you the reactive mail. This one I got reactive 19 March, this Merchant Center, and this was suspended for the misrepresentation, and I got reactive the misrepresentation issue, as you can see the screen. And this Merchant Center I got reactive 22 March with the same issue misrepresentation. This one I got reactive 23 March. This three, and another one is this one, this Merchant Center 24 March with the same issue misrepresentation issue. So recently I got this 4 Merchant Center reactive. Let me introduce myself. My name is Najibul. I am Google Merchant Center expert, and I am working since 3 years in this sector. Okay. In this video, I am going to share you my one Merchant Center case study. Then it will be help for you also if you are facing the misrepresentation issue in your Google Merchant Center. Okay. This is the report I have created for a website. That website Merchant Center was also suspended for the misrepresentation issue. Here have I note down like 14 mistake, but there other mistake also have before, but I did not mention actually. So I first created this report and then sent to my client to fix those things. So I am going to explain one by one what actually have mistake was in this website. Okay. So this is the store. Let me open the store first. This is the website. And now this website is okay, and Merchant Center also approved. You can see this is, and all product are approved. And all the thing is okay now on the website. Okay, so this website previously not have the payment policy page. Payment policy page must be need to provide in the website. And exactly the same payment method what actually you are using in your checkout page to accept the payment, exactly same payment gateway you need to mention in the payment policy page. If I open this docs, then let me show you the content of the payment policy, like is your website is SSL certified or not, like this information, it's very important. Okay, so then every customer can trust to purchase a product from your website. And Google always says your website must be secure. So that's why we need to provide this all information in the payment policy page, like this, what payment gateway actually are you offering in your checkout page, that all the payment gateway you have to mention in the payment policy page, then customer will better understand. And then all this thing actually need to provide. The second thing is, in this website their website footer not have they mention the company name, phone number, email address, opening hour, all these thing actually need to provide properly on the footer. This is very important thing. We every website, every Merchant Center website need to provide this all thing. This website was the logo are blurry. This logo showing, I think my internet is getting slow. The website are not opening. So yeah, let me show you the image of this report docs file. Okay. Yes, this logo we always suggest need to use the bold, bold and clear. So yes, that was actually some issue on the website, so I suggest to fix this. The other thing is, in the first place your website, you need to remove all the promotional text before Merchant Center reactive. You need to remove all the promotional text or any pop-up banner from your website. actually Google not Google allow, but sometime if the offer is not exist in your website and in the checkout page, so sometime Google getting problem. So for best practice, we first remove all the promotional text and pop up from the website. Then after GMC reactive we can use, there no issue. For the better practice, I always follow this method to remove. Hmm. The another thing is this website was some review, but all review are imported, not a real review. Hmm. So Google know which one is the real review or which one is the fake review. Google easily crawl everything. They know if this business have any Google My Business, and under the Google My Business there have lot of review, then Google they then you can use, no issue. Google then Google will not any problem for if you have the Google My Business account. Otherwise the important imported Google review, Google actually not allow. Okay. And the other thing, this website was the mistake. They have our story, but not have not was the about us page. So actually, this website was our story is about us page. So I just suggest to just rename the title. Hmm. So yes, and if your website this website was two language, they are using the two language, but Google not allow. Google policy is you need to use the official language of that country. Hmm. But the English language you can use for any country. Okay. But and I this website was the two language, Google not allow. Like Chinese, I don't know what is the language, and the English. So I suggest to remove this one and keep only the English language. This website was some broken link. Yes, this is very important to fix the broken link from the website. And then other thing is yeah, gap. I think, yeah, this is, yeah, every policy page you need to check every paragraph or alignment properly. If there have any unnecessary gap or like that, as I can show you on the screen, if our policy page are showing like that, yeah, there have some gap, if then need to remove. The other thing is this website in the shipping policy page, they did not properly mention the handling time, transit time, shipping cost, what is the estimate delivery time, and what courier service they are using to ship the product. All the information in the shipping policy page must be need to properly mention. Mm. The other thing is, yes, that thing I already told on the above. I think any promotional text on the website, if have, then need to remove. After merchant center we can use. Yes, that the thing. Yes, and yes, if website have a multi currency, then also Google causing the suspension. So multi currency Google initially not allow. Initially not, they not allow, totally not allow, because if the product feed have a English language and you are using the multi language on the website, and then it will going to be mismatch the data feed and the website. So not allow Google. Okay, so use only one language on the website. This website was not have the track your order page, FAQ page, so I just suggest to add all this page. All this page must be need. This website now properly open. Okay, so all the thing is now okay, and they fix all the thing. Then I, after fixing all the mistake from the website, and then I send review request and got reactive. So yes, here have a few thing I have listed like 40 point, but there have other also thing I have fixed with actually. Okay, so yes, if you are facing the misrepresentation issue in your merchant center, then feel free to contact me. I will provide my contact details on the video description. I actually provide this service in worldwide. I have a Fiverr and Upwork account, and there have I provide this service, the solving merchant center misrepresentation issue. So if you are facing this issue for a long time, you already tried 2 or 3 times and you not success and not getting approved, so I totally understand, because this suspension is so critical. Mm. You have to follow all the Google policy, otherwise Google suspend repeatedly. Mm. And I have experience with 3 years, and I know all the policies. I follow all their policies first and fix the website. And in the merchant center, I have set up all the thing, business information, shipping return properly according to the website that have, okay, and the policy. So yes, uh, feel free to contact me and discuss about your misrepresentation issue, and then I will fix. Thank you for watching this video, and I will share my another case study with the next video. Thank you. Bye.